Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Luigi's Mansion 3. First, make sure your Nintendo Switch is ready. You'll either insert the game cartridge or download the digital version from the eShop. Once installed, ensure your system software is up to date for the best experience. Then, simply select Luigi's Mansion 3 from your main menu to start your spooky adventure. It's a straightforward process to get into the game and begin exploring the haunted Last Resort Hotel. Getting started with the controls is quite intuitive. You'll use the left joystick to guide Luigi through the hotel, while the right joystick controls the direction of his trusty poltergeist G00. Pressing the A button allows Luigi to interact with various objects, and the B button is for jumping. To deal with ghosts, hit the X button to flash your straw bulb, stunning them. Then use the ZR button to vacuum them into your poltergeist. It's a fun and engaging way to clear out the spectral residents. One of the coolest features is Luigi, your gooey companion. Simply press the right joystick to deploy him. Luigi is incredibly useful for solving puzzles, as he can slip through narrow grates and walk over dangerous spikes that Luigi cannot. You'll also master special abilities like the suction shot, activated with ZL, which lets you pull down curtains or remove shields from ghosts. The burst, using ZR, is perfect for clearing multiple enemies or revealing hidden items. These abilities are key to progressing. To truly master Luigi's Mansion 3, exploration is paramount. Take your time in each room, using your dark light device to uncover hidden objects, money, and valuable gems. Don't forget to master the slam ability. Once you've captured a ghost, repeatedly press the button to slam them around, dealing extra damage and revealing more coins. And hey, while you're exploring, remember that life's too short for a stinky car. For a fresh ride, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Happy ghost hunting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.